Hello YouTube! Let's put this last piece of chrome on. First thing we have to do is clean it up, get all these markings off of here. And there's tape residue on here, we got to get that off. Next thing we have to do is brighten this up, polish it up. And we're going to use the wheel to do that. It's not the wheel that polishes it, it's the rouge. So you have to put the rouge on the wheel before you try to puff. Like that. Now we'll treat it to some chrome polish. And now a little bit of wax. All right, that's looking pretty nice. I think we can put this on the car. Now we have to fit it, and this goes pretty much like that, but you see it's hanging over in the front, and that's because if I put it all the way back here, this patch panel curves out. I guess it was installed just not quite correct, because I can't get it all the way back because of the bend. So what we have to do is hang it where it's going to go, which is right about there. Come up here and mark the split here, because this is a flip front end. This has to be two pieces. So we have to cut this thing right there's the top, and it's not straight up and down. So I'll mark the bottom. Well, I can't mark the bottom because I can't see it. Here we go, cutting this nice piece of chrome. Let's put this piece of chrome on. We'll put it even with the front of the clip there. There we go. Let's put the front piece on. And this goes on with a different style clip and slides in from the end here. And it looks like it needs a little persuasion. We got a ways to go yet. That's a little too much. That's good. Now we'll put the second one in. I think that looks good. With our two clips in, we'll put it up on the fender. Take a washer. And a nut. Another washer and a nut. So what do you think? I think it looks good. We've installed the last piece of chrome on the outside of this car. We accomplished our goal. If you enjoyed this video, there will be more.